Azure provides a variety of operating system images that you can install onto the virtual machine. This includes several versions of Windows and flavors of Linux. That also means you can have both client and server-based operating systems. The choice of your operating system will eventually influence your hourly compute pricing, as Azure bundles the cost of operating system license into the price. So if you're looking for more than just operating system images, you can search the Azure Marketplace for more sophisticated install images that include the operating system as well as popular software tools installed for specific scenarios. For example, if you need a new WordPress site, the standard technology stack would consist of a Linux server, Apache web server, a MySQL database, and PHP. So instead of setting up and configuring each component, you can leverage Marketplace image and install the entire stack all at once. Finally, if you cannot find a suitable image, you can create your own disk image with what you need, upload it to Azure storage, and use that storage to create an Azure virtual machine. Now keep in mind that Azure only supports 64-bit operating systems. In the next video, we'll learn about what Microsoft Azure does not support.